Hi friends, in this video I am going to unbox and give you first impression about Honor Band 4. This band soon going to be launched in India. If you want this band, then in the description section you can get the link to buy it. So let's begin. This is the box pack of Honor Band 4, which comes in sky blue color. On front, Honor branding. The image of band is given. On back, some quick specifications were given, such as it has a 2.5D AMOLED display. It comes with Huawei TrueSyn 3.0 and a True Sleep. We can use this band while swimming. It can track steps, displays incoming messages, can give you 14 days of battery backup. And lastly, on this side you get the QR code for downloading the app, nothing else on other sides. So let's unbox it. On unboxing we get the band itself. Let me put it on the side and check what else we get inside the box. Normal USB to micro USB 2.0 type cable, the adapter, and lastly the user manual, which is totally in Chinese, which is no use for me. Let's now turn it on. For turning it on we need to connect it to charging mode. By this way we can connect it to charging mode. Let's take a physical overview of this band. On front you get the 2.5D color AMOLED display, which is slightly bigger than the previous version, and a touch button. And on the back you get the heart rate sensor, the pins for charging, and here are the locks for releasing these straps. The band's strap material is similar to the previous band, but the lock was changed, which is more secure than previous. There are more strap color options available. In the description you can get the link to buy them. Honor Band 4 has a color display which is not available with other bands like Mi Band 3. Here you get the touch button. By touching here you can wake up the screen, and the display supports full touch. By sliding your finger on the screen you can go to different options. So overall it is a good band for its price. I got this for around 2000 Indian rupees. If you like this video then press the like button, otherwise dislike. If you have any questions regarding this band then you can ask them in this comment section. Subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.